Load and make ready. Shooter ready.
Run.
Stand by.
Or down.
You're young.
No, I'm Miller.
You're Miller. Sorry.
Miller.
Yeah.
Sorry. I have one.
One.
Two.
You're Miller. He's young.
Yeah. You're from that.
Two.
I'm gonna quit.
2 hits.
That would be the smart thing.
One.
Pull the trigger right now. So those have 40 scopes.
Brush it through, maybe.
Or in some case, the people who got the other ones, they got 50.
Well, I don't know. I mean, if you got the
2.
there's nothing wrong with having a magnification. No, it's not. It's not. It's fixed.
Oh. No, you're working. Right.
3.
And I'm done.
3 hits. Nice job, Marcus. 1.
Did you work on all these?
And 0.
You couldn't make like a compensator or something.
Not bad.
Oh yeah.
1. 2. 3. 0. Oh man.
Yeah, that first one I just had a hard time.
1. 2. And 0. Both open, mag out, chin flag in. 0. 1.
They couldn't take my spot.
Yeah, you know what? I was telling my wife.
And 0. One.
So I can take it apart.
2.
I bought
I need one of those.
3.
I'll take it.
3 hits. Nice job.
Dude, there's been zeros across the board.
5.
Damn it.
Yeah, he does. Beat.
1.
I got it.
2.
Hey, I made you a sheep riser out of a pool noodle. I got it.
Wrong target. That's a miss.
You went
You hit 1, 2, 4.
fourth one.
1, 2, 4. You did a good shot.
Unload.
Is this legal or no?
No. You ready? Stand by.
That's fine, because you said it's
Oh, 0. Off to the left. Oh, just under it. 1. And 0.
Generally, because I mean.
1. 2. 3.
One more.
4. Still dead center. Nice job. That was William. 4 hits.
So it doesn't matter.
1.
I hit 5 this morning and then I missed my first one.
And 0.
You said it, Connor.
I know, I said it.
Did you jinx yourself?
Yeah.
They were.
0.
They wouldn't get the prone.
It's easier though. No standing. 1. And 0.
I jerked at the end.
1. 2.
Stop.
2 hits. Nice job. Bye. 1. And 0. Both open. I got it. Camera flag.
They're both black. You didn't see it.
1.
I was trying to focus for both. I've been trying not to drink anyway. Steady.
2.
Ah!
0.
There's no way you're gonna make a stand. You're automatically off down.
Yeah.
You've got to get it back. Yeah.
No call.
Right over the top of it.
Well, yeah.
Off to the left.
You know, guys, that limber.
1.
Yeah, she calls it the Pilates shot, and it's like, real.
And 0. 0.
You know, like the one where you
These are cheaper than
rest it on your shoulder and you go.
Oh, 0. Both open. I got it. Camera flag in.
Remind me of this guy.
That probably overrated at like 10,000 or 18,000. These are like 4 years.
Some people just can't make that transition. Let's just practice.
1.
Should I be done?
Yes.
Come on, go for 4.
Go for broke.
2. 3. Oh! No pillows. Are you using a pillow, Ross? No pillows. Sling on me.
Other people have been doing that.
I haven't seen other. If you used a pillow, you were wrong.
buddy did it.
wrong.
Other people.
Well, everyone's been getting.
I used one, but I got a 0.
I haven't seen anybody do it. Okay.
Mine was camouflage, and nobody stopped.
You need to drink more beer.
Yeah.
Build that belly up.
Okay, shooter ready?
No. Okay.
Stand by.
It's nice with a sling. You can grip it right underneath there and pressure yourself. So it doesn't slip on. Yeah, it's just gonna keep more screws.
1.
I don't know. I guess maybe night force is go for bros.
2.
In that market. Yeah, because they're more open.
NRA.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so they just didn't. I didn't follow through.
Yeah.
Shooting ducks.
Probably won't fit your hand. I have a tiny hand, so.
3.
But it's a little reinforced, so it doesn't.
Yep.
It's also great when it's cold.
Do you have a jacket you wear?
No. I just got this. Oh, the thing is those jackets. But the thing is, the reason I do that is the jackets.
I know, you cinch up all the.
Oh.
Yes, and you're
3 hits.
You're like in a
Both open. 0. Stand by.
My legs.
And then they got the front end extender, the 18-inch extender.
1.
exactly. You got to extend your sight range.
And they all have to keep it from the
It's really
weight.
good with the pillow.
Thrown into my scalp knives, just so they can get under.
But only
Those can't use them at all.
2.
Yeah, my buddy got hammered on his F class. He was borderline, and when he changed, and he didn't make it so he went to the
3.
1 ounce over. Well, he did, but when he went to weigh in, he said, I think he changed mounts or something. He changed.
4.
I forgot how he was able to like that stuff, but he was able to drill some. Well, no, he was using a.
That's a good thing. It's all right. Just shoot one in the air.
So, I mean, there's not a whole lot. I don't know what he did.
Ceasefire. 4 hits. Nice job.
That's what he did. He ended up chopping 6 inches off the.
Oh, off to the right.
And so he had to loosen up the tolerance on the chamber. Around the brass. Brass was just some of the brass.
Oh, one and a miss. 0.
Yeah. In Tucson, they had was a couple months back.
1,
His buddy placed first in their particular divisions.
2,
He's out of San Diego. He has matched today actually in I think Pendleton, somewhere there,
3.
Southern California.
Let's stop.
Okay, 3 hits. No call.
I jerked up.
Okay. 1.
Nice work, but not that nice. That's cool.
2.
I got a cold kid. Love it. No, sir, no way.
3.
Yeah, because you go government commander and then officer.
Shut up.
I was gonna pull my snake, but I think you have to push the snake.
One of the 3.5 inches.
Drop it in.
I know, it's just, it's bad.
4.
My cold. You're good, no glory.
Are you done?
Don't do it.
You can do
All
it
or
now.
nothing, spring,
You got nothing to lose.
first or last.
5. Good job. All right. You're now in 30. Good job.